Well, redid some of the wiring on here, and basically just for the lighting. If we look inside now, see that I have a switch up there, and I have a main light here, which clearly illuminates everything in here, which is very handy at night. Of course, I got a power inverter there, which runs all the lights, a little compressor, and whatever else I want. So I'll close this up. Actually, let's turn this off so it doesn't kill the battery. Alright. Open the door here. So this this first switch, I got 4 switches here. Turn that one on. It illuminates these back work lights here. So if I'm working behind it or pulling a trailer or doing anything at night that requires it, I have that. This second one here illuminates these top strobes. This third one here is for the light bar. And the fourth one is not hooked up to anything yet. I have, of course, the traffic advisor bar up there. There's left, right, split, and flash. So that's the bar that's on the back of the truck here. When I'm on the side of the highway or whatever, that's very helpful. It alerts people that I'm there and advises them to change lanes and give me a little bit of room. I got a switch box down here. That switch right there, that second one up, that is for front fogs, front LED fogs, which are quite bright if you ask me. The one at the very bottom is for the grill strobes. It actually strobes pretty fast, so the frame rate on this camera will make it look more solid than it is. I don't know, you may be able to pick up something, but that's helpful as well. And we're just going to turn on the regular headlights with those front fogs so you can see kind of a comparative difference. You can see how yellowish the headlights look compared to the fogs. So there's that. And just because, we'll do that. That top bar is ridiculously bright. It even makes the front fogs look a little yellow compared to it. And we'll turn that off, and it's night again. So that's basically it for work lights. And I don't really need any more than that. So yeah.